How to make $100 plus per day searching on Google. So with this strategy, guys, it requires no prior experience. It's free to get started, and you're already searching on Google anyway, so why not get paid for it, okay? This is a really simple strategy, guys, and I'm going to show you step by step how to do it in this video. So the first thing you need to do is go to www. What's going on, guys? It's me, Lindsay here, and on this channel I share with you guys ways that you can make money from home, as well as how to make money with affiliate marketing. So just like how I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I want to share with you how you can make $100 plus per day searching on Google. So again, make sure you stay and watch the entire video, and I'm going to share with you step by step how you're able to do this. And then also make sure you stay into the end, because I want to share with you how you can actually start to make money from home passively. Okay, guys? So let's go ahead, let's dive into the content. Okay, guys, so right now we're looking at this website, and you're probably already thinking, okay, what the hell you have me looking at, Lindsay? What's this crazy image on this website? Well, this website is compiled of top 10 list, right? So as you guys can see here, weird stuff. Top 10 reasons Skinwalker Ranch is the strangest place on earth. Top 10 ways Google is censoring free speech, and so on and so forth. So we see on this site right here how they just have a bunch of random lists or top 10 lists, okay? So where do you come in with this? So with this particular website, you can submit your own top 10 list in order for it to be published on this website, okay? So with this website, how they actually earn from this is because the more traffic that they get to this website, as you guys can see here, we have different ads on this website. When people come to this website and they click on these ads and things like that, they're going to earn money from, you know, the AdSense or the ads that are being ran on this website, okay? So the more traffic that they get to this website, the better. And that's where you come in. If you come in and you actually provide content to their website that's going to get people to come to the website, guess what? They're going to hand you $100, okay? So what is this site called? This site is called Listverse, okay? So on Listverse, again, if you submit your own top 10 list, they will actually send you $100 if they decide to go ahead and publish it on their website. So once you come to this website, if you scroll down to the bottom, you want to click on here where it says write and get paid. So when you click on that, it's going to give you the full breakdown of how this actually works, okay? So with this system, well, with this website, you don't want to just go onto Google, find some top 10 lists, and then just copy and paste. You don't want to go about it that route. Also, on this website, they're looking for interesting content, okay? So they don't want to see top 10 lists of the top 10 best places to travel to or something like that. They want some kind of you know, unusual science facts or unsolved mysteries, or maybe something about a obscure niche or something like that, guys, right? So again, right here, it tells you right here, they will actually pay you $100 for your efforts. You do not need to be an expert. You just need to have great English, a sense of humor, and a love for things unusual or interesting. And it's available in the United States, the United Kingdom, New Zealand, Ireland, Canada, and Australia, and South Africa, okay? So you can do this. Now you must have a PayPal account, okay? That's the only way that you can actually receive commissions from this website is through a PayPal account. They don't have any other leeway with this. That's the only way that they actually pay out those $100 payments. So you're going to submit your top 10 list, and if they're going to publish it, they will send you $100 to your PayPal. Now make sure, again, guys, you stay and continue to watch this video, because I'm going to share with you how you can actually find this content in order to, submit it to this website, okay? But right here underneath the rules section, they actually kind of give you some ideas of the type of content that they're looking for, okay? So right here, they'll say anything like, you're looking for something normal in an unexpected way. You know, how ways that college make you dumb, unsolved mysteries, hidden knowledge, you know, things that people don't know, misconceptions, you know, astonishing general facts or whatever else, science facts and things like that. Those are the type of things that they say on this website that they will more likely get approved to be on their website. So when you are ready to get started and you already have your top 10 list, you'll come here at the bottom of the website again, and you'll click on submit a list. Now, once you have done that, this is where you're going to include your information here. You're going to give a name to your top 10 list, and then you're going to copy and paste your article here. Now, when you are doing your top 10 list, each of the things that you're going to list on your top 10 list need to be at least a paragraph or two long, okay? So now that we know that, how can we go ahead and find this information on the internet? So one of the good ways that you can actually do this is just start with trying to find, obscure niches, or just like how they mentioned on the website, how they like things like unsolved mysteries. So what I did was I went to Google and I did a search of unsolved mysteries, right? So now we have all these websites coming up. So if I was to go ahead and click on one, this is the strangest unsolved mysteries of all time, you can come to this website here, and on here they're going to give you 19 examples, okay? So this one right here is the incident at Dyatlov Pass, however you say that, okay? So you can kind of get a general idea here, and then what you want to do is you want to take it a step further, right? So you can do like the top 10 list of unsolved mysteries, right? Maybe you can go and find 10 facts about this particular incident, and like I said, you just want to do a little bit more of a deeper dive research and find 10 things about this particular unsolved mystery, and you can create a list like that, okay? Use these websites to actually give you some inspiration. So you have unsolved mystery about sickening noises, whatever that is, the ghost ship, the Mary Celeste, okay? So now you want to start getting some different ideas, right? Another thing that they said they like to like information about is unusual science facts, okay? So I did a Google search for unusual science facts, right? So you can come over here and click on one of these websites again and kind of go through these websites and get some inspiration, right? So water can boil and freeze at the same time or something like that. Here go a list of things that you can get right here, and don't copy and paste this. Actually just do a little bit of a deeper dive research on each of these, write a paragraph or two about them, and then you can also submit that to the website, okay? Make sure you're doing that. Don't just copy and paste the information. Do a deeper dive search so that way you can actually write things in your own words and that you can submit to Listverse. Another place where you can go ahead and get some ideas is YouTube, right? So I came over here to YouTube and I did a search for top 10. So now we're seeing top 10 scary diseases created in the lab, top 10 scary courage of the Cowardly Dog theories, whatever that means. Unexpected myths confirmed on Mythbusters. So now you're seeing like a whole list of things, right? And these go on for pages and pages, right? So now you can go ahead and get inspiration here. Again, go back onto Google, do a deeper dive research, and write out your content for your top 10 list, and you want to submit it. So if you go ahead and submit it and they go ahead and approve it, again, you're going to receive a $100 commission. Now think about it. The more articles that you submit to this website, the more you can actually earn, okay? So now, between the few things that I shared with you in this video, between YouTube, actually just Google searching unsolved mysteries, weird science facts and things like that, or you can just go to do a research on Google just for niches and actually just find out about some different niches that you can find out information about. So there's thousands of niches out there, right? So a niche could be, it could be for bowling. It could be for, playing blackjack or whatever else. And I'm pretty sure if you go ahead and just do some research, you can find some weird and unusual facts about each of these particular niches, okay? You can also do a Google search for obscure niches, right? So things that we don't even think that people would be interested in, they actually have content out there about these obscure niches that you can create content for. And again, you don't just want to submit an article on or the top 10 list of the top 10 most visited places, travel spots in the world. That's really kind of vanilla. It's really kind of lame. It's safe, right? Again, they already telling you on the website what type of articles they are looking for. So what you want to do is you want to come back over here to the website and you want to go ahead and start looking for the things that they're talking about. Hidden knowledge. So we can go over here to Google, right? Let's put in hidden knowledge. Okay? So we got secret societies, right? So you can write a top 10 list about secret societies, right? Look, the 125 best hidden knowledge image, okay? So let's pick on that, click on that, and now you're going to get ideas of things that you can actually go ahead and do a deeper dive research on Google. That way you can actually get more information, okay? So you can start going from here. That's all you need to do. All you need to do is just try to find out a general idea or a niche, and then you want to start breaking it down from there, guys, okay? So that's how simple it is. You can actually earn $100 per day simply by researching on Google. Okay, guys, so I just shared with you really quickly in this video how you can start earning money today, $100 per day, simply by searching Google. Again, you don't need any type of experience. It's free to get started. All you have to do is just do some basic research on Google, and you can go ahead and submit these articles to Listverse. And if they approve your article, guess what? You're going to receive $100. And the more articles you actually submit, or top 10 lists that you submit, it increases your likelihood of getting them published, guys, okay? But that's a great way to earn money. But I also want to share with you all in this video how I've been actually earning money online. So I started my online journey back in 2013, and I had got started with something that they call affiliate marketing. And with affiliate marketing, I can simply promote other people's products in order to earn a commission. So I don't have to create my own products. I don't have to deal with customer service or anything like that. The only thing that I have to do is get as many eyeballs or get as many people to come to my affiliate link so they can see whatever offer that I am promoting. Okay? So that's my only job. That's the only thing that I have to do. And I only spend maybe a few hours per day doing this to build up this business, guys, right? And because of affiliate marketing, I was able to earn my first $1,500 online, which then led me to have my first $10,000 online, as well as finally letting me, giving me the opportunity to leave my full-time 9-to-5 job and been working from home ever since, guys. All right. So if you want to know more about affiliate marketing and the actual business that I am using in order to generate affiliate marketing sales, where I'm earning commissions every single day, underneath this video in the description below, go ahead, click on that link at the top. It's going to give you everything that it's going to give you all the information. It's going to explain the actual system that I am using that's helping me to earn income from home, guys, okay? So again, underneath this video in the description below, go ahead, click on that link, learn the same exact strategy that I am using that's helping me to earn sales every single day inside of my business while I am working from home. So hope you found this content helpful. If you like it, make sure you leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.